Hello everybody, Unicorn Lady here. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm doing the update number 2 for spring 2023. Starting with my collards from last year. These are also collards from last year, along with the baby Russian kale. Because this collard decided to go to seed and give me some seeds. So we'll take it. This right here sprouted in my garden. I found it in like January. Looked like a lettuce. So I left it alone. And it turns out to be a grandmother's pincushion. The bees love it, so I love it. Another weed that showed up are those pink things back there. Came from under that brick wall. It looks so pretty in the morning when they're all open. And then we have my fig, Black Mission fig. She hasn't given me any fruit yet, but we'll see. Next to her is my peach tree, growing from the bottom. I guess I gotta cut those off. But she's getting taller. She was looking fabulous in February. Lots of blossoms. But then came the Texas wind and took them all away. In here, I found some purslane in my garden, so I decided to put them in this pot and see what they do. And they're doing very well, actually. Over here is my flowers. We have roses, azaleas, lilies, 2 lilies, and my African daisies coming back. Next is my blueberries. And again, I have 2 varieties in here, and they're all getting blue. Two varieties. This variety, I don't know the name of either of them, but this one are smaller than the other one. And it's been fruiting for me for the last 2 years. The other one is with the bigger leaves and the bigger blueberries. Also, everybody's bluing up. I love it. Almost time to get them. Or net them, as I saw Gina's video. Netted them up. I'm going to have to net mine up before the blue ones disappear. Moving right along. These are my broccoli. 2 for 1. They were both in the same little pot. So they are transplants. And one is trying to do it. I've never been able to get a broccoli on this property before. So we shall see. Next to them is my watermelons. No, they're not giant, huge watermelons. They're just tiny, tiny watermelons. I got Tigers, Mouse, and what's the other one? I don't remember. Tigger, Mouse. Oh, and pepinos. All in this one pot. And as you see, we are getting some. This one I gotta trellis up, but they are doing their thing. Here we got some Swiss chard. I just had to debug it. Next to them we have parsley, sage, and rosemary from 2 years ago. Still growing strong. The cabbage from also 2 years ago. If you recall, I took out the center. These 4 popped up. I took one of them off, and now more are popping up. So I'm going to have cabbage for a while. Then we have our lacinato dinosaur kale, also from last year, getting tall. Beneath that, we got my sorrow. I'm only doing one this time since the other two didn't decide they want to be here. Then we got some bee balm, banana peppers, green peppers, overwintered from last year, these green peppers. And there are some on here. So more than one. Oh, there's the other one. Back there. Okay. And my red Russian kale, also from last year, doing well. Here we got my lemon cucumbers. 5 seeds. Lots of lemon cucumbers showing up. So I'm happy with that because I only got one of those last year as well. As I have to speak over the sirens going to 75. It's always an accident on 75. Anyway, moving right along. We got some strawberries down there, flowering to give me more strawberries. Yay, 5 plants, 2 different varieties. And here we have our Paul Robeson tomatoes. I think I only see one so far. There are a couple of flowers, so hopefully we get some more. Then we have cauliflower. My purple angel trumpet doing its thing. Purple carrots. I think these came from GT Junior. More green bell peppers. Also overwintered from last year. Oh, and I have my little furball visitor with me this week. Sophie. Hi, girl. She's usually dog sitting her when her parents go out of town. And I did Brussels last year, so I'm doing it again. Only one plant this time. Here we have my lemon and lime. The lime one is the little one. Lemon is the big one. That may or may not be lemons anymore, since it looks like it's growing from under the grass because winter decided to take away my Meyer lemon, I'm guessing. Here we have my pomegranate. Lots of new growth, so we may get a pomegranate this year. Over here I have my basil, thyme, the chocolate cherry tomatoes, dill, and romaine and salad lettuce. This is my desert rose, finally blooming for me. She's loving where I put her. I don't know if y'all heard that, but my birds are doing their thing. Barn swallows, they come back every year, and this is year number 3. Mama's up there taking care of the eggs. Papa Bear is flying around trying to tell me to get out of the way. Anywho, and lastly, this is what's going on with my kohlrabi. I had 2 in there. This one decided to bolt. The other one decided to leave altogether. And that's it. So, feel free to like, subscribe, share. Till next time, Sophie, say bye. Say bye, girl. She's like, what? Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.